Hi, and welcome to EuroCompound. I'm a European dividend growth investor, and this is my portfolio update for August 2025. As of the end of August, the total portfolio value stands at €11,560. The entire strategy is built to maximize dividend income. The foundation is a 73% allocation to high dividend ETFs, which provide diversification across hundreds of companies while strictly adhering to the income goal. This is complemented by a 27% allocation to individual dividend stocks, selected to increase the overall yield and gain exposure to specific high-conviction sectors. Diving deeper, you can see every single holding is a dividend pair. The largest positions are in ETFs specifically engineered for income, like the iShares World Quality Dividend and dividend-focused S&P 500 trackers. These are supported by classic dividend champions like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson, alongside high-yield positions in energy with ENI and BP, and real estate through Realty Income. Before we look at this month's purchases, it's important to mention a key element of my strategy, the cash reserve. I always keep between 5 and 10% of the portfolio's value in cash, ready to be deployed. It's my dry powder to buy quality assets on discount during market dips. Currently, the cash reserve stands at €686. This month, the portfolio grew with the addition of 2 brand new positions, aimed at strengthening both the energy sector and the core European dividend income. First, I initiated a position in BP plc. With its solid dividend yield and its strategic role in the global energy market, I see it as a key holding for the long term. Second, I added the iShares Euro Dividend ETF. This move increases my diversification across established European blue-chip companies, immediately boosting the portfolio's overall dividend stream. And that brings us to the final overview for August. The invested portfolio stands at €11,560. Combined with the cash reserve of €686, the total net worth of the project is now €12,246. It's encouraging to see this steady progress towards the goal of long-term passive income. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow my journey and get monthly updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next month.